Hello everyone, I am Nishanth. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering degree in Artificial Intelligence in Bangalore Technology Institute, and I got in Pyspiders through incubation program. My journey throughout this program was awesome. Like they teach us, everything was so perfect and everything was company standards, like how to crack the interviews. It was all about cracking interviews and also covering all the fundamentals and basic topics so that actually the company expects almost the students to be good in basics. This organization, that Pyspiders, fulfills that need of the Pyspiders conduct mini mock interviews, which helps us gain confidence to crack the interview. I would like to thank our trainer, Mr. Niranjan sir, for training us in all fundamental topics and being helpful and supportful throughout our journey in Pyspiders.